In this video, I am going to cover you what are the pre-requiring things and basic things you need to know before starting developing your own web pages. Right, and also I'm gonna show you the beginner stage of HTML also. So don't waste it. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, this is Thilak from Team Curious.
Before start building your web pages or your own custom pages, you should know the minimum things. What are those minimum things? You should more familiar with these three things: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These are the three main things which is very essential to build any page. Let's open VS Code. You can use any editor like Atom, Sublime Text Editor or VS Code. All of those are your requirements, up to you. If you don't know how to download VS Code or how to download Python, all those things, you can watch my previous videos. I clearly mentioned and step by step how to done all those things. Let's pick one new file. Just name it my first project of my personal, right? Personal. So you are writing HTML page, so it should be .html. It shows that we are creating our first HTML file. So I personally recommend a VS Code. Why? Because when you type HTML, then you can see some HTML file, HTML except all those things. Just click on HTML file. You can see the boilerplate code has been appeared here. This makes our work very easier and faster, right? All writing these stuffs makes some consumption more time. It makes somewhat easier when compared to other editors. I'm not saying all editors, but it is more easier. So if you didn't get these things, this thing has been done by Emit Extend. If you don't get all these things, just go to extensions and search for Emit. Then you can download and install it, then definitely we'll get it, right? So now we get all these things. So HTML, right? In HTML, doc type, it represents which type of document it is. It is HTML. We have 4 versions of HTML from starting onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are using the HTML5, the latest version, right? It defines the type of the file, it is HTML, right? Now here you can see the HTML language English. So now we use the entire thing in English language, so it is in English. And again we have head, body. Before head and body, you can see here HTML tags. HTML starting tag and ending tag. What are these? The entire HTML code should be in between the starting opening tags and closing tags of HTML. Out of this, whatever you're gonna write, that doesn't work. It should be in HTML starting and ending tags, right? Then we have head. In head part, what are the things we need to write? Here you can see meta char set. What is meta char set and UTF-8? These are some special characters are when we upload in our website, it should identify. What we can say it is as a library which identifies some special character and assign some names like that. And meta name and viewport, content width, device width. It says that what are the web page we're gonna create, it should be set to our device width and initial scaling set to 1.0, right? And coming to the title, here is the document. You can change it. Whatever title you want to give, you can give. I'm gonna give my personal website, web page or anything, whatever you want. This is the title. These are the bunch of things. It should be in the head part. It should be mandatory. And also we can add some font styles and JS, jQueries, all these things should be in here. On upcoming videos I'm gonna show you. Don't go in deep into that. I will be clear all those things. So coming to the head has been completed. It was started with the starting tag and it closed with the ending tag. This is the closing backslash, closing the head. After closing the head, we have the body part. Here you can write whatever things we need, right? Whatever things you need, in the sense you can add some attributes or src files and paragraphs, headings. All those things should be in the body. I'm going to show you how to add, how to do all those stuff.